Hi everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our February mystery subscription. So in our mystery subscription, we have 3 different options that you can choose for your subscription. We have our standard kit, we have our Hobonichi Cousin Weekly / Journal kit, and then we have our decorative kit. So I'm going to reveal what this looks like for each style. First, let's look at the standard. So for this standard mystery kit, as you can see, we have 2 bonus items that I'm super excited to show you. But I first kind of want to show you the kit so you can kind of see how it fits together. So this is the first full page of the kit, and on it we have some beautiful pinks and purples, and if you look closer, it's brunch themed. So we have this scene over here of a storefront of the front of like a restaurant where there's some tables and some drinks like coffees maybe on it. The next box has a little invitation, or if you look closer actually, it looks like a menu. It says it's brunch in foil, and if you look closer, it says eggs and bacon, avocado toast, waffles, scrambled eggs, Bloody Mary, mimosa, coffee, and tea. And then I love this box here. We have avocado toast, we have some tea, and maybe another tea over here, like a cold tea and then warm tea or coffee. And this box, we have a checkered background with some roses. Over here, we have like a cozy brunch outfit. It says Brunch Babe on the shirt, and some stunning heels. And this is a double box scene inside of a brunch place, and it looks super cozy too. If you look at like the seating that Dawn created for the scene, we have like a bar in the back, coffee table with some a foiled coffee mug, which is fun. And then over here we have some more like brunch treats. We have some waffles with berries on it, a cinnamon roll, and a latte. So that's the first page, and now I'm going to show you the bonus that goes with it so it makes a little bit more sense. So for this bonus add-on, it's a guest check, and it says, "Are you going to eat that pickle?" Which I think is hilarious because like I do that when I'm out with my friends and they have a pickle on their plate, and it's just like, I love pickles, so I think it's cute. So that's the bonus sticker, and then we also have this sticker sheet too. That's on the washi sticker paper. If you look closer, we have some divider strips that have like checkered foiled on it. We have a few swatches and some icons like the different drinks for brunch. We have what looks like maybe a martini. We have coffee mugs, tea mugs. So those are the 2 bonus items, and let's look at the rest of the kit. Next, we have the Monday through Sunday stickers for the week, and then the washi. I love the foiled grid lines, and then we have florals over here. My favorite color is purple, so I'm living for this kit. Next sheet, we have a few more boxes. Over here, there's a journal with some foiled text on it and coffee. Then there's another scene of like a kitchen table with some eggs and bacon, newspaper, purse, and florals. A Monday through Sunday box for tracking. Over here, there are some layering pieces, heart date dots for the month, weekend script, and then some more overlay pieces for foil. Then there are flags at the top, more layering pieces, 3 bow checklist boxes, and circles. Then this page at the top, there are scallop dividers, bow dividers, half scallop circles, and thinner washi strips. Then this is the functional page where there are the habit trackers in the middle, and these can be used as headers right in whatever you would like. Then there are the Fashion Girl boxes on the right side. I love her hair here, and she's chilling with maybe like a fruit mimosa, some coffee. I love the outfit here too. Then there are icons and script. Some of the script is like urgent, payday, YouTube tasks. Some of the icons, we have like a sleep mask. We have trash cans, computers, plate, shopping cart. This page is the headers and glitter headers. So for the headers, to do today, meals, next week, this week. And I love down here how for the glitter headers, we have different patterns in the background. And over here is the glitter. I like that. And the last page is the deco page. So there are some cute outfits, like cozy. We're thinking like cozy chic. I love this outfit here where we have like the fitted tank top and the loose pants, loose linen pants. There's a menu again, some sunglasses because that's like a must. Outfits. So this is the standard kit for the February mystery subscription. Next, I'm going to show you what the journal kit looks like. For the journal kit, again, we have the same add-ons that I showed you from earlier. The first page is the same as well with the same artwork and boxes. However, they're not as tall. They're shorter and they're not as wide. So they fit in the Hobonichi Cousin Weekly section specifically for that planner. Or also if you have a smaller companion planner or journal, this would work well. So that's the first sheet. Next we have the Monday through Sunday again, but fitted, so it's a bit smaller. This page is different because we have some torn edge stickers for like the journal aspect. But again, we then have the glitter headers, some rectangular boxes, some bows, half scallop circles. This page is the overlay foil page with as well the heart date dots for the month and weekend script. There are some arrows too, some banners, really journalish-y type stickers here. Then we have the same page from the last kit with the Fashion Girl boxes, the icons and script, but it's fitted for specifically the Hobonichi Cousin Weekly section for that planner. Next page we have deco, but it's very enlarged. I love enlarged deco like this because you can really see the detail. We have a bundle of roses, those waffles with the berries on it, the menu, some outfit details, of course the sunglasses, and the last page is the deco page that we saw on the standard kit already. That is the same. So this is the mystery subscription for the Hobonichi Cousin / journal. I recommend this if you have a Hobonichi Cousin planner or if you just like the style of journalish type planning. And lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative. For the decorative mystery kit, it's all on the washi sticker paper except for this bonus item here. So if you like the texture or the feel or just like the look of the washi sticker paper, I'd recommend doing the decorative kit. So again, we have those same bonus add-on items that are included for this. And next, let's look at the different sheets. The first sheet is the swatches sheet. There are the same scenes and artwork. It's just formatted a little bit differently. It's on this kind of torn looking sticker, so it's not as uniform as the other two options that we provide for the mystery kit. So if you like kind of like the torn edged look, kind of more free-form stickers, that's the first sheet. The second swatch sheet, we have a big swatch of here of that scene in the brunch spot. In the middle, a couple of the fashion girl scenes, and then below here there are a couple of washi just swatches and then an overlay piece. Then we have our borders page, which you can kind of see it as washi strips. The bottom is a straight edge and the top is hugging the artwork. So there are florals at the top. Down here is some brunch items and the sunglasses. And in the middle we have a straight edge strip. Then the deco page, the first deco page, there are the fashion girls, and there's also some flowers sprinkled in there, purse. Next deco page, we have the outfit, the menu, the waffles, the journal, all that fun stuff. The third deco has the florals, and if you look closely, I really like this because we have some like framing pieces that you can use in your planner. If you see here, they're shaped kind of as corners, so you can really like frame your pages. There's a couple of also just straight florals that you can use for framing, and the bundle of roses, very pretty. Next page, we have the script and date dots. I like the date dots because we have two different colors that we can choose from. We have the purple and then we have that green. And then for the script, we have 2 weeks for Monday through Sundays. And then there's to do, meals, errands, appointment. I love using those scripts because I don't have to like worry about my handwriting. I'm working on my handwriting right now. And the last page is the terrible washi page. So we have kind of like a pink and green, a little bit like zoomed out checkered, and then the overlay foil is the grid with silver. And for the terrible washi sheet, you just come at the top because we have it pre-cut just at the top, and you can take it and tear the sticker in whatever shape you would like, which is very customizable and neat. So this is the decorative mystery kit for February. So those are different options that we have for a subscription. It is exclusive to only our mystery subscription. We don't have any overstock or anything like that that we sell on our website. If you do not want to miss out on next month's mystery kit, make sure to subscribe because spots are open today. I put the link in the description below so you can check the listing and everything. This is like a fun, I think that this is a very fun subscription. If you have not done a subscription with us before, this would be like a good starter subscription to see how you like it. Thank you all for stopping by our YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the new stickers and stuff that we have for our subscriptions. I hope you all have an amazing month, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye, everyone.